what gets the two-tone? There's like a distortion going on. Do you mind or better? Can you do that? He gets the two-tone every time. You get the two-tone every now and then. The distortion.
Watch, I can do the hisser. You gotta listen real close. Listen real close. Listen real close.
Wait. Chris.
Quiet. Listen.
First thing is solving the problem.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Here's
That's
my
tricky.
hisser. Here's my hisser.
Have you accepted Jesus Christ as your Savior?
No.
Alright, come on. That's not, alright. Both at the same time. Come on.
Okay.
Your best. Do your best. Do your best right now.
The funny part is,
No. Watch. Hisser.
Did you hear that?
Listen.
It's a lot of air. Wait, listen.
That's how it's supposed to be.
It's like you got a big anus. Come on.
That's the real thing.
You hear that? There. I'm going. Yeah, I can do
Both
that.
at the same time. Big ones. Explosions.
Big ones?
Listen.
Explosions.
All right, ready?
Explosion.
Oh, that's bullshit. Watch.
I got the hisser.
Here's a real fart.
Alright, here's mine.
Chris.
Here's the best one. Ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Ignore him.
I don't know.
This is the best one.
That's fucking bullshit.
That's a shart.
Anthony, you're up, dude. Come on. Good one. Okay, at the same time.
Wait.
No, same time. I'm not dealing with him.
At the same time, come on. Both of y'all.
No, this is real.
This is music.
Mine is
This
real.
is music. Look at you, Dad.
Mine is more real. You ready?
It's not more real.
That sounds like split pea soup, please.
Watch. Doesn't this sound more real? Watch.
Dad, let me see high pitched. See, your face is so red.
What do you mean? He's always red.
He's trying hard. No,
Is this all on video?
He's all like pink. Red. Ow!
Dude, he keeps trying to...
Chris is trying hard to have a good fart. Lori, I'm almost done with the 126 proof. Yes, because I need to have the very last sip ever. Okay. I'm recording. But second, Lori, this is 126 proof rum. You're gonna let me have the last sip no matter what. But thank you. Oh God, somebody else has to have one more sip before I do. No, you don't. Ooh, it's yo. In a bottle of rum. Okay, thank you.
This is the question, Chris. Look, I can do a bunch of different stuff. Usually he do this.
In a bottle of rum. Oh God, Lori, we gotta put these bottles.
Can you do that?
There.
Lori, get this one.
Lori, whoa. Hey.
Can you do that?
That scares you.
Do it.
And you run away.
Watch.
You run away after
Quiet.
that one.
You have glitter on your face.
Can't do it.
But listen, hey.
I could do it if I did that.
Okay, well,
Stick to your thing, because you got a good thing going.
who are we going to see tomorrow night? Who are we going to see? Who are we going to see tomorrow night?
Dude, listen to that. Listen. Because you know I'm
Y'all
good.
don't
You
care.
hear it, 'cause I'm good.
Listen.
Wait. Right? Well, now everybody's getting
I
on
know.
it. You guys suck.
Dude, y'all haven't even practiced. Y'all are amateurs.
Listen. Hey, that's important what y'all are doing, but what's more important is who are we going to see tomorrow night?
Willie Nelson.
Okay. Who's
God, my Savior, Jesus
So have
Christ.
another swig.
My Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ.